Hello! Today we're going to make ice fishing fun. We have some water, salt, ice cubes, and ice. So guys, and we're going to pretend them into fish. So first we're going to put some little water. And I'm going to keep the ice. They're slippery. Can't get them. My hands are looking cool. Now I'm going to try to catch the fish. Like that. And I got.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to put salt everywhere you want it to melt.
See, when you put salt, what happens?
It will melt.
And ice will recover it, okay? That time maybe you can catch some little kind of fishes.
Yeah. Now I'm going to wait a little time. I'm going to count to 10.
Okay.
Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's done.
Wait little more time.
You're done? This up. I got it! I got it! I got it!
Oh, it's dropped down.
This salt water and this water. Keep the tray. Yeah. We're gonna keep salting this one. You have to wait for 1 minute. Now we're gonna pick them up.
Yeah.
Twice.
Okay. Slowly take, slowly.
Oh, good. Good one.
Yeah, excellent. Show to here, please.
Oh, no, good one. Oh, just I got this here.
Why you got that one?
Because of salt.
Because of salt?
Yeah.
Yeah.